So today we're going to show you how to get information on your configured uh, network interface devices. This works with Red Hat 5, 6, and 7, and Oracle Linux 5, 6, and 7, and Fedora 5, 6, and 7, as well as Centos 5, 6, and 7. So what I usually do is do a netstat, excuse me, -I, and it'll show you the name of the configured internet devices. In this case, we have one Ethernet card configured, and it's ETH0. So I can do an ifconfig ETH0, and then it'll show me extended information on that interface. The interface it shows that it's an Ethernet card. It shows you the MAC address. It shows you your IP address, and it also shows you the mask that's configured. In addition to that, if you have IP6 configured, which I started out with and disabled later on, it'll show you that information here as well. It'll show you receive and transmit packets and hard errors. Hard errors are important because it'll tell you if you have possibly a bad NIC or a bad cable, and also show you dropped packets, either on the send or receive, which could still indicate a bad cable or possibly a traffic issue on your network, or applications that are possibly overtaxed that are not receiving all the packets that are being sent to them. If you do change your NIC out for some reason, you'll want to go out and change the hardware address or the MAC address, so you can bind to the new card. The new hardware address can be found on the card physically, either on the spine where you connect to it, or possibly even written on the card, but almost always on the box as well. So we're going to go to the folder where we do that, and it's going to be in etc sysconfig network scripts, and just do an ls real quick, and you'll see our Ethernet card is right here, and it'll be ifconfig. So we're going to vi ifcfg eth0, and in here you'll see the hardware address, which you want to change to whatever your new address is. So we'll cursor down to it and just press I, and cursor over to the starting of the address, and just delete the characters, and then type in your new characters and hit escape, and then hit colon WQ an exclamation point, and then I'll save it out, and that's all there is to it. Pretty simple.